Wow, that's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, that is amazing. Here we go. Are you going to do your other pieces now? Right, is everyone ready? Okay, so we're going to make a fire serpent today. And we've got 10 grams of baking soda. Point that out, Anthony. And 40 grams of sugar. Yeah. And in the middle, in the middle, we have our sand pre-soaked in firelighter fluid. Okay, so what I want you to do, Nimue and Lily, can you pick up the bowls for me very carefully? A bowl each. Okay, now Lily, I want you to pour your bowl into Nim's bowl. Yeah, all of it. And now give that to Anthony. Okay, Anthony, I want you to stir it with the spoon so it's all well mixed. Be careful. Just make sure it's all fully mixed in together.
Not mixed together, it'll not work properly.
Oh, okay.
Is that mixed? It's fine, it's fine. Right, give it to Jaden. Now Jaden, take the spoon out carefully because you don't want to lose any of your powder, and just put the spoon down for now. And what I want you to do is pour it all in the very, very centre where the darkest bit of lighter fluid is, in a pile, please. Clever lad. Put it all in a pile there. Yeah. Well done. Perfect. Okay, now if you can just pass them bowls to Hobie very quickly, and the spoon so they move out the way. And then Birdie, should we let you light this one?
Yeah, let's do it.
And you light it from the lighter fluid bit if you can.
Right, what Dad's like.
Oh, we're watching.
You're watching. Anthony, you gonna hold it?
Right, careful, you've got to hold
Be
it
sensible now, kids.
No, don't keep your hand flat, because if you touch it, it'll crumble like this. It crumbles.
Are you gonna pass it to Jaden to have a hold? Go on, put it in his hand. Yeah, move away from Uncle Market and your dad, Jaden.
Often good advice. I found more fire. When you hit sand with fire, it makes fire. Sand? Are you warm?
I am, yeah.
You ready, Lily? You ready, Lily?
Be careful, Lily.
Right, you ready? He's ready?
Do I have to stay holding this?
Let Lily have a hold. Lily, would you like to hold it? Oh.
Yeah, bye-bye.
You want to hold? Carbon?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, carbon. You.
Nim, would you like to hold it? Part of our fire snake.
Squeeze it. And show everyone it's squeezed in the bowl. Right, now get a photo. Let Mum have a photo first.
Go on.
Don't squeeze it yet.
Oh, wow.
Now put both hands over. Then squeeze it like a snowball. And then squeeze it. Now have a look. You can squeeze it in tiny little bits. And then it just poof.